There I was, standing at the precipice. Yet another threshold. Or was it? Was it just another trap? Was I feeding in? Or was I just letting go? We may never know the answer to these mysterious questions that we ponder at this late, hellish hour. Is hell a real place? You wish. You motherfucker. Who am I talking to? Yeah, you. The voice inside my head. You're not me. And I'm not you. You little fuck. Don't let me get my hands on you. I'll wear you out.
The Lost Youth Group presents
Conscience. Yeah, right. More like hell, fury, fuck, retarded, whatever.
esoteric knowledge from a parkade warrior reincarnated as
your momsy womsy.
Have you ever wondered about the hidden wisdom that can unlock the secrets of the universe and transform your life? There is a timeless philosophy passed down through the ages by secret societies
Nalak of the Nile River Valley in Egypt,
that can align
circa
with the natural
2025
laws of the
BC.
universe and help you achieve your highest potential. This wisdom is called Hermeticism, originating in ancient Egypt.
Nalak.
Immortalized in the writings of Hermes Trismegistus.
As I was saying before, I was at the threshold, yet again. Right there.
These teachings have influenced religions.
Right on the fucking edge of reason.
Serving as a unifying force.
The edge of tomorrow.
Throughout history,
The edge of the flat world.
nations have safeguarded
You
this
motherfucker.
passing it from mouth to mouth.
Flipping cigarettes,
In this video,
landing them,
each of the 7 hermetic
doing spin kicks on dudes named Steve Shoots.
Stargazer, the lost youth writes poetry
Landed
and
it.
smokes his own blood,
Flush,
searching for
right in his
whatever is
temple
still
like I was
pure.
Bruce fucking Lee,
Forever.
and then I pulled out the nunchucks.